Imagine if you had invested just $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2015. Today, you'd have over $500,000. But don't worry, the opportunity is not over. In fact, the next big wave in crypto and stocks is coming, and if you miss it, you'll regret it. In this video, I'll show you how to start investing in stocks and crypto, even if you have zero experience. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasir Khan, and I help people like you make money online through investing and smart financial strategies. So if you want to grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Most millionaires have one thing in common: they invest. The stock market and crypto are two of the most powerful ways to grow your money. Just look at Tesla, Apple, and Bitcoin. Those who invested early are now millionaires. And guess what? You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Just $10 can get you in. Stock market. If you like stability and long-term growth, stocks are your best friend. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft have made investors rich over time. Crypto market. Crypto is high risk, high reward, but the upside is insane. Bitcoin went from $100 to $60,000 plus, and new opportunities like Ethereum and Solana are still rising. So, which one should you choose? Well, why not both? Step 1. Pick the right platform. For stocks, use Robinhood, E-Trade, or Webull. For crypto, use Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Step 2. Start with small investments. Invest what you can afford to lose. Start with $50 or $100. Step 3. Follow a simple strategy. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount every month. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock or one crypto. Follow market trends. Check Yahoo Finance and CoinMarketCap. Don't panic when prices drop. Smart investors buy the dip. Always have an exit plan. Take profits when you hit your goal. So, are you ready to start investing? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and comment below. Are you investing in stocks, crypto, or both? Also, make sure to subscribe because in the next video, I'll reveal the best stocks and cryptos to invest in 2025. See you in the next one.